place to place, up and leave without a trace before it gets too late. Wanderlust will carry me away. Well, sure I could dream, but as lonely as that seems, I am present tense. If only heaven was true, then I would pray. It's a Saturday in June and I'd get to spend it all with you. Spend it all with you. Time will never solve everything, but it helps to figure out all the subtleties in thoughts like these. If only heaven was true, then I would pray. It's a Saturday in June and I'd get to spend it all with you. So we listen to our parents so much that living scares us, and we share everything. It seems so careless when all I wanna do is run away with you. If only heaven was true, then I would pray. It's a Saturday in June and I'd get to spend it all with you. Yeah, if only heaven was true, then I would pray. It's a Saturday in June and I'd get to spend it all with you. Spend it all with you, you.
Why is my life remembered for its sins and not its kindness? People recall my losses and not my wins. Who sees my steadiness? I try so keep up my guard and come away scored. Just a big old punch card, flee the graveyard. I try so hard. I guess we all paint a different picture than what we intend. I guess we all live in that mixture than what we pretend. Try so keep up my guard and come West Coast. Just a big old punch card, flee the graveyard. I try so hard. I felt the high tide of love and the low tides of my life. One hell of a strange ride. Hope I do much better the next time. I try so keep up my guard and come West Coast. Just a big old punch card, flee the graveyard. Try so hard.